Mouth just sweet anyhow.
I see you. What did that for you?
That is one tongue.
Oh, I see. More the go more pass that.
No, wait. You know what? Why you no go help him? You know say you go driving school that year.
See my brother, see. At this point your begin, so I don't want anything will go involve me and person. I want just stay focused.
Wait till you
I beg, more they go.
You know if you help person. See fine girl like this, I dey see her for mirror. You know say me I no sabi. To say I sabi drive now, I will go help her. I know say she won't turn like this. You know say her hand never strong, but she no pull her. Eh? Go help her now.
Abi.
Sam now. You won't go jam something. Go help him now.
This man!
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine girl.
Fine.
I've been there since you dey struggle with life.
Yeah.
I said let me bring assistance to you. Bring her.
Tell the.
This guy dey drive. Make it.
It's like you are going out.
No, I want to turn. I want to turn.
Oh!
You were the top where?
Brother, let me help you.
Are you sure?
Yeah, good guy.
Okay, you sabi drive.
Who be aboki where they ask the question?
Can you see this man? Who you be? What is my thing?
You know why this one don't dey drive? You see the way you take enter. Very nice. Abi.
Thank you so much.
You go back move and go front, then you do am.
Over there.
You see the way you do it? And you can see it back. You see it? He's taking his time. You understand? That is how to drive.
Jesus!
Dangerous. You back. You can't drive with this now.
Yeah. Oga she say you sabi drive.
Abi, the motor dey G4.
Where do you go press?
I must tattoo na normal regular tattoo.
She be they go somewhere before.
I won't go tell that woman something. I remember.
You don't tell me before now. Make I help you go tell the woman now. I go help you deliver a message to that guy now. No, wait. Wait till that.
Madam, I'm sorry. No, sir. Why this be like this? I be not too near here.
What are you trying to do?
Nothing go do a girl like this.
Who badged my car?
Na a car?
Yes,
Oh, na soldier man car be this. Na a badge.
my elder brother.
Wait, young man. Are you the one that badged my car?
Sir, no vex. Na go Samaritan I want. Do not be say I really mean. I don't know so the thing dey G4.
You are dead. You are dying today.
Oga, I know. I know.
And you?
I'm
You will hear from me.
Oga, more dey go now.